Hello, in this video, we will introduce two-way if-else statements. In the preceding video, we introduced the one-way if statement. A one-way if statement takes an action if the specified condition is true. If the condition is false, nothing is done. But if you want to take an alternative action when the condition is false, you can use a two-way if-else statement. The actions that a two-way if-else statement specifies differ based on whether the condition is true or false. This is the syntax for a two-way if-else statement. If Boolean expression is true, execute the statements for the true case. Else, execute the statements for the false case. This is the flowchart for the two-way if-else statement. Let's look at the animation with this input value for radius is -2.
Test if -2 is greater than equals 0. It is false in this case. The statements for the false case will be executed. The statements for the false case are executed. The next statement after the if statement is executed.
This is for the input is -2. If the input for radius is +2, this condition will be true, and then for the true case, the area will be computed and the result is displayed. Let's write the program here to generate the two random integers, number 1 and number 2. Swap the 2 if number 1 is less than number 2. And then prompt the user to answer the question, what is number 1 minus number 2? Finally, the program checks the answer to display whether the answer is correct. If the answer is not correct, the program will display the correct answer. So this is the program, generates two random integers, number 1 and number 2. If number 1 is less than number 2, swap the 2 using the simultaneous assignment statement. Now prompt the user for the question, what is number 1 minus number 2? So please note that this is a string, what is, plus you have to convert the number into a string and to plus it. And this is the combined two strings. We get the answer is integer. Test if number 1 minus number 2 is equal to the answer. If so, say print you are correct. Else print your answer is wrong and give the correct answer. So this is the program, and here is live example. And see in the live example you can practice coding, and this is a rand int 09. This is to test if number 1 is less than number 2, swap the two numbers using the simultaneous assignment. And this is to test if number 1 minus number 2 is equal to answer. That is all for this video on two-way if-else statements. See you on the next video.